Okay, I know it's been a while since I've made the last video. In this video we're going to show you how to figure out what's causing the warm air, well, not actually warm air, but why the air conditioner isn't cooling down as much as it should be when the AC itself is working fine. Now, basically, this is the temperature, about 92, 93 degrees outside. I don't know if you can see that. And they're both equalized. So what I'm going to do is turn it on, and we're going to watch it drop. Watch this one drop down to about 40, which it should, about 40. This one should go up to about 150, which is the high side. And we'll see it working. It's working just fine. Currently it's 109 degrees in the car. Can you see that? I'm going to start it. Put the thermometer in the vent. Get this over here. Put the thermometer in the vent. Watch it go down. Close the door so and I wasn't going to make the video. But I decided to go ahead and do it because I haven't seen too many or any videos on how to fix this irritation, I would call it. It's not really a problem. It's just that the air conditioner doesn't blow cold as it should unless you're actually moving. Once you get moving over 40 miles an hour, then the air conditioner will blow a little bit cooler in the car. To solve that problem, you have to clean the condenser. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. Right now we're down to 70. And where's my other thermometer? I left it outside. That's about 70. Alright, we're gonna go out, check that. See how it equalizes? That's about right. There's no problem with the system itself. So if I were to add more refrigerant to that, I'd lock up the system, and then I'd wind up having to replace some parts. So what we're going to do, and I took off the grill, but this car is pretty horrendous. But you get access to the grill access to the condenser. See how dirty it is? We're going to fix that. We're going to clean it up with some cleaner. I'll put a link in the description for the cleaner. It's simple green Coil cleaner, or whatever the name is. I'll put a link in and you'll see. And it's supposed to be self-rinsing. So you clean that. What we're going to do is we're going to clean that, and then we're going to see if the temperature drops even more inside. So let me go check that. I'll pause the video, do some cleaning, and all you need is a simple spray bottle like this. It's 1 part to 3 parts to 1 is the ratio. It's pretty concentrated stuff. Alright, we're down to 63. Let's see what it is in the car. Put that back there, see where it goes. So 90, it's 90 degrees outside. It dropped to 60 coming out of the vent. So that's about a 30-degree difference. And typically it's about 40-degree difference depending on humidity. We're about 100 with the air conditioning running. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the condenser down, rinse it off, and then I'll come back and we'll see what the temperatures in the gauges say. And all you do is simply spray that stuff on the condenser. Of course the car has to be off. And this stuff is supposed to work on house air conditioners too. So we're about 100 degrees in the car with the air conditioner running. We'll see what happens when we're done. Okay, we're back. And currently, coming out of the vent, it's 55 degrees. That's 40-degree difference between the ambient air and the vent air. And the low side dropped a little bit more than it was. And it's going to start recycling again. That's why it's going up. There you have it, and that's how you fix it. Got a little bit cleaner. Still hasn't dried off completely, but there is a little bit of a difference. I got all the crud out of the fins. I might wind up doing another spray and then spraying it out with water again. See if I can get it any cleaner. I doubt it, but I did get most of the big chunks of garbage out of the fins, dead bugs and stuff like that. So let me know, what do you think? And I'll see you guys in the next video.